All right, cellos, it's time for Jingle Bells. We're going to learn this song in little pieces because my favorite two practice words are isolation, little pieces, and repetition, over and over and over again. So, let's get started. On Jingle Bells, you actually should learn the hard part first, the jingle all the way. So we're going to do that first, then we're going to plug it in with the first line of the song. So, Jingle All the Way starts on an F sharp with your third finger on the D string, jing, but then Gull is on the A string, no fingers, Gull, so it's F sharp, A, and then it goes on the D string, open, 1, 3, so practice those 4 notes over and over. 3, open, back to the D string, open, 1, 3, stop the video and practice that. Okay, now that you've got that, we're going to work on the Jingle Bells part. It's easy. It's a quarter, quarter, half note, quarter, quarter, half note, and it's all on your F sharp, which is your third finger on your D string. So all you do is jingle bells, jingle bells. It's all 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Then we do jingle all the way. Jingle all the way. So stop the video and practice those two things together until you can get that far. All right, now that you're back, oh, what fun it is to ride. That starts on the D string with your fourth finger. That's a G note. And you're going to go, oh, what fun it is. You're going to do one measure of 4 and one extra note in the next measure of G's. Oh, what fun it is. And then to ride, you're picking up your fourth finger and going to an F sharp. To ride. And then on a one-horse open sleigh is F, F, E, E, F, E. Or 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 1. And then open A. So it's going to be from Oh, What Fun. Okay? So stop the video and practice that much until you can get it. Okay, at the very end, we have Jingle Bells again, and it's the same Jingle Bells that we did at the beginning, except for the very, very end. So it's going to be F sharps, third finger on your D string. Your third finger is not quite to the fourth finger tape, but it's slightly below it. So third finger is going to be jingle bells, then jingle all the way again. Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3. But now one horse open sleigh starts on the A string, and it's going to go A, plop all 4 fingers down. G with your fourth finger on the D string, then in first finger, E, D. So all of those notes are A, 4, 1, open. So practice that. Then we're going to put all of these notes together, and you've got Jingle Bells. Make sure you do it slowly, without your bow, plucking until you get it all. And then as you put it together, you're going to feel more comfortable, and you'll be able to do it all. Practice hard, have a lot of fun, and I'll see you when you got it.